Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, we have seen there is a continuous downfall. We have seen after making a high from 3.6, it is now trading at a level of $2.3130. There is a clear pattern, U pattern is forming. Okay, it tries to go upside for 4 days but it didn't sustain, and then 4 days and then didn't sustain, and there was a continuous downfall we can see, because there is a clear opposite U cup pattern is forming and chances will be very high we can see a further fall. This is the zone where the price of natural gas was moving for quite 8 months in the range of 3 and 2. So if the price fall below a level of 2.3, chances of crossing a level of $2 we can see. Okay, if you look at from 4-5 years, you will see that there is a opposite cup pattern is forming and there is a clear pattern. And I've already told you that if the price started falling below 2.5, it will fall further down, and it has made a low of around 2.2. From there it tries to go upside. Okay, and if it started sustaining this level and goes above a level of 2.7, then a probability we can see it can go towards 2.9 and then a further upside. Overall trend is downside, chances of going further fall we can see. Okay, now if it form a swing, what we can see, it will go towards a level of around 2.5 to a level of 2.7, and once started sustaining about 2.7, then a further upside towards a level of 2.9 we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, there is a cup pattern is forming, as U pattern is forming. As you can see, after making a high there is a downfall and then there is trying to go upside. So chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 2.3, then it will go towards a level of 2.5 and then to a level of 2.7. As soon as started sustaining above a level of 2.7, then we can see a probability of crossing a level of $3 we can see, and then a further upside. Okay, but as you have to understand that market is uncertain, and this pattern is creating a opposite pattern. So chances can be high that if the price keeps moving below a level of 2.3, a further fall we can see. But remember something, market is uncertain, so always try to set your SL as well as trailing your SL. These two, if you are doing, you will sustain for a longer period of time, because these are the two things that will make you sustain for a longer period of time, and then you can make a good profit. See, overall trend is downside, but as you can see the green candles are there, so volatility is big. So how you have to decide your quantity? You have to decide your quantity as per the volatility. Okay, if the volatility is higher, try to reduce your quantity, increase your SL by twice or 4 times, as well as your targets. If you are doing that, then there is a higher chances that it will sustain and your target can be hit rather than hitting your SL. Okay, now let's see. If the price didn't sustain, and chances will be very high that it will not sustain, but always try to set your SL and trailing SL, then only you will be saving your capital and then you can trade a longer way. Okay, so opposite cup pattern is forming and U pattern is forming. See, look at this particular chart, tries to go upside but it didn't sustain for 4 days, and then there is a continued downfall and there is a higher chance that we can see it will fall further low. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.290, and if started moving below this level, and chances are very high it will go towards a level of 2.2. Once the price started moving below this particular zone, chances of touching a level of 2.159 is there, and once the price started moving below this level, a probability of crossing a level of $2 we can see. Once the price started falling below $2, then there is a higher chances of going towards a level of $1.9856, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 1.9 to a level of 1.62. Okay, and once the price started moving below a level of $1.623, a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give you the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please